Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland. Today, I'm on a 2019 Azimut 50 Fly. Starting at the transom of the boat. Real easy boat to access. You can step aboard the sponson on both port or starboard. Large swim platform. This one is a hydraulic swim platform, so it drops down into the water, making your dinghy easy to retrieve and get off the platform. Inside the cockpit of the 50 Fly, you get a teak sole throughout. We do have a refrigerator drawer, nice teak table with U-shaped seating around it, and access to the crew quarters. Easy access to the interior with this large sliding glass door. The main salon of this 50 Fly is a fantastic place to entertain in. Not only is there lots of seating, you have a television that slides up and down so it can come up, also drop down. Enhance that with the Bose surround sound system and an integrated spot for all your glassware. And the great views continue from the elevated galley on the 50 Fly. We do have the opening window, nice addition if you are cooking in here. Large 4-burner Miele stovetop, microwave convection oven, pull-out refrigerator drawers, and a really large sink. As we move towards the helm, it really is just a great place to be. Dual helm chairs, flip-down bolster, flip-down leg rest. Also very adjustable. Electronics, it's absolutely loaded. Raymarine Axiom screens, there's 2 of them down here. You can really control everything that you need to right here from the helm. You have your radar, autopilot, GPS, everything integrated, depth sounder as well. So the power plant on this yacht is twin Volvo D11s. They're known for their reliability and efficiency. Making it easy to dock, you do get a joystick that integrates the motor function as well as the bow thruster, making it really simple and a breeze to handle, even in the rougher conditions. Large open atrium gives you that real open air feeling while you're climbing down below. Added bonus, this one does have another refrigerator down here, as well as the washer and dryer. Full beam master stateroom, lots of light, opening port lights to get the breeze through here. You do get the queen size island style bed, so it's easy to get around, easy to access. You also really have a mirror image for storage on either side, so it gives you lots of storage. Master stateroom head can be separated off from the rest of the boat. Get a nice vessel sink, vacuum flush head, and standalone shower stall. Moving forward from the atrium, we go past the 3rd stateroom. 3rd stateroom on the 50 Fly is a bunkhouse. Stacked over and under, television in each of them, large storage locker, and an opening port light. Not a bad place to be. All the way forward is the VIP stateroom. Again, island style bed, easy to get in and out, easy to make in the morning. Lots of natural light, lots of nice little fixtures, things that really make an Azimut an Azimut. You're going to have hanging locker storage on either side, as well as dedicated entrance to the forward head. Second head is for the VIP stateroom, but also doubles as a day head. Dedicated shower stall, vacuum flush head, sink, again, really everything that you come to expect. So the bridge of this 50 Fly really gives you a commanding view of the water. It's a great place to run the boat from. We have full Raymarine electronics up here as well, so you do have the dual Axiom screens. You have the autopilot, radar, GPS, everything integrated into one. The aft deck of this bridge really is that extra added bonus. You have, again, some great lounge seats, low table, and an entertainment space that's going to have a grill underneath it, another refrigerator, and a sink. ...2019 Azimut 50 Fly, MarineMax Maryland. Give us a phone call, stop in. We would love to show this one off.